So, we're going to be playing the Ponziani opening. You have the white pieces, and you're going to open up the game with e4. Now, your opponent's going to play e5, which is the most common move. We're going to play knight f3. Opponent's going to play knight c6. This is the most common position that occurs after 2 moves in chess, and now you're going to play the move c3. You will play d4 anyway, and now black has a choice between which pawn to capture. Taking this pawn is a little bit dangerous. Now, you are going to play d5. So, the knight moves, knight takes e5, and in this position, there is another vicious trap. After the move, d6. Bishop b5 check, and there is no way for your opponent to get anything in the way. Here, a variation might go c6, pawn takes pawn, queen b6, and in this position, you will play pawn takes discover check. If your opponent takes, you take the rook and make a queen. But if they don't, here you play knight takes f7 check, and now you play pawn takes, and you make a knight.